Namaste! In today's video, we are going to do a walking tour around Little India. Little India is said to be the most colorful, most aromatic, and most vibrant neighborhood in Singapore. So let's check it out ourselves to see if this is really true or not. Let's start at the entrance of the Serangoon Road. As you can see, the streets are still decorated with the Deepavali decorations because we are still currently at Deepavali season. Let's go in first to this colorful building here, which is called the Tekka Center. Even the wall of the staircase here has this beautiful and colorful artwork. On the ground floor is this huge hawker center. Now let's head to the second floor, where you will find several shops selling different Indian clothings and costumes. That place was really a shopping haven for Indian clothings. Anyways, we are back here at the Serangoon Road, and on the right side is the famous Campbell Lane. You'll find here lots of authentic Indian shops, including this well-known Jyoti store and flower shop, which has been here since 1960. They have, of course, these beautiful and eye-catchy flower decorations called torans. There are also so many gold decorations here, as well as bronze candle holders, like this pretty heart over here, and several hanging decors, like this one with a nice elephant pendants. And you'll find many colorful candle holders, which are called diyas. Of course, there are also candles ranging from the colorful, plain white, and even gold colors. You name it, they got it all here. But still, my most favorite are these beautiful and aromatic torans. Next to it is this another shop, which is called Jyoti Music Corner, where you will find several Hindu statues and prayer items. We also saw here these cute-looking padlocks. As you walk to the end of the lane, you'll find this Indian Heritage Center, where you can learn more about the culture, heritage, and history of Singapore's Indian community. Now let's head to another famous street called Buffalo Road. I always enjoy walking around this street because it offers you a perfect blend of sensory experience, which makes you feel like you're really in India. From their colorful products and shop houses, to the fragrance of flowers and prayer incense, and listening to Indian music played by the shops around. And of course, you will be able to taste their Indian goodies, including this crispy and addictive muruku, plus some fresh-looking fruits and vegetables. Adjacent to the Buffalo Road is the Racecourse Road. As you walk along the stretch of that road, you will find several authentic Indian restaurants. So there's loads of options to choose from to fill those hungry tummies. As we keep on walking around and exploring different small roads, we keep discovering different colorful shop houses, which truly adds vibrant to the streets of Little India. The range of products and services you can find here around Little India is just boundless. We can't help ourselves to notice and be amazed by how Little India is surrounded and decorated with these beautiful, artistic, and colorful murals. You can literally see them anywhere around Little India. even at this back alley. Would you believe that? Wow! We are truly impressed. Not to mention the toilets too. And we happened to bump into these cute, colorful carabaos. You can find and visit this Hindu temple, which is Singapore's first dedicated place of worship for North Indian Hindus. Now we are back to the Serangoon Road. At the front part of the left side of this road, you will find arrays of gold jewelry shops. Better prepare yourselves and your wallet, because this is truly a gold shopping haven. While on the right side of the road, you'll find shops selling various items at a very good and affordable price. As you walk along Serangoon Road, you will find this another Hindu temple called Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple. Just take note of their opening hours so you can get a chance to enter this beautiful temple. We were really amazed by their beautiful Hindu statues and sculptures. If you keep walking further along the Serangoon Road, you'll find this famous Mustafa Center. They used to be open 24 hours daily, but that's not the case anymore. Although, they're still open till late as 2 a.m. So this is still a good use for all the shoppers. After that long walking tour, our trip here in Little India wouldn't be complete without devouring their delicious Indian food. There are several Indian restaurants you can find all over the place. But we ended up choosing this famous Kamala Villas, which was established since 1947. Every time we pass by this place, the queue is super long. But we are fortunate to skip that part because we came before the peak hours. It was quite difficult to choose what to eat because there are so many delicious looking food to choose from. And we decided to order this puri set, which is served in doubles with potato curry and chana masala. The other one we ordered is this paneer butter masala. Thanks to the Google review for this recommendation. Wow! Look at that! We cannot wait anymore to try this out. Let's start with this puri set. These were really huge and puffy. So I put the potato curry first, then the chana masala. Wrap it up and put in my mouth. This was so satisfying. And I really like it. Now it's his turn. Trying it first with the chana masala, then with the potato curry. And he likes it too. Now let's try out the paneer butter masala. So did he like it or not? Let me try it myself then. OMG, that was absolutely delicious. And that's probably now my new favorite Indian food. And that's how we ended our Little India walking tour. We had a great time exploring this beautiful Little India. And at the end of our walking tour, we agree that Little India is truly Singapore's most colorful neighborhood. By the way, if you want to witness this beautiful Deepavali street lights, it is set up from end of September until the beginning of December. So, don't miss this out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your future travels.